That boy got that crack, man.
I could say she Muslim. Yeah, the landlord just called me up a drug lord. I got that rat. And the devil wants like to hear more of my ride. The devil likes to hear my rap. He said rap more, cause I enjoy the show. I enjoy the show. And there's people in this retards. I can buy a son. I can go sound like Weezy ass, baby. Anyway, in the day say these hoes don't have no clothes. How much so? How much so? They don't close enough from the prints in the scent and the flows. I don't mess with these houses, and they mess with my other signs themselves. And from the truth, her mama. I'm smoking my cocoa, abracadabra, making my show, making it rice, making people laugh. And they sit back, I'm making raps, I'm spitting bars, just like my hoe told me to do so. Out, it's time to show, it's time to blow radio. Oh, it's on my own, I did it on my own, I did this on my own. No help, you niggas are fools, no help. I'm a boss, have a good day, suck my balls, my one. I work it down like him, I rap, I don't give a fuck. I ain't sorry, Perry, for what I done. I never apologize for something that they did. And they all in the mic be pain, victim. And Perry called the cops, just another drops. Call the cops, I wish you would, nigga. If I could die, day, I wish you for that. Cause I can't send that to the fucking victim games. They kind of like the same. I still I'm lusted, I'm making more money. And what's the Joes. This house is a jokes, and this house is full of jokes. With the joke with this house, hoes are full of jokes. Has hoes for jokes. And love, making me more powerful and glow. Drink my coffee, I got more pussy powder. And pussy powder louder, pussy powder louder. Cocaine, I'm a drug lord. With respect, with the big best rap. And they want to kill me, can I wish I kill me? Can't kill me, can I kill me? Oh my god, you can feel me, man, whatever. Likes my rap, that's the fuck the cow. So can you now? Send me the credit, give me credit. I'm a very talented guy. That's the word around the town, the word around Ohio. With the flow, my mom and brothers fucking so just jealous. I wish I could die for the bride, money that left the jokes, the drives like what the fuck is the kind of sickness in this kid now? All the parents said the same name, then the FBI says, did they think this is a game? The cops in the back listen to my raps and the Dragon Rap YouTube, yeah, the FBI is 16 is a joke, that's a joke funny. Because the J King rap, bitch, was